What experienced buyers learn every ghost month. After decades of ghost months, experienced brokers tend to rediscover the same lesson. It isn't about luck, it's about people and preparation. Some buyers postpone, others continue searching. Some become decisive, others become cautious. Eventually, ghost month ends and activity returns. But the people who make strong decisions are rarely simply the fastest or luckiest. They're usually the best prepared. The broker who listens, the buyer who asks intelligent questions, the seller who prices realistically, the investor who prepares financing and completes due diligence. Experience teaches the same lesson repeatedly. Preparation consistently outperforms prediction. So learn from experienced professionals and use every market cycle to sharpen your judgment. Experience leaves clues. Smart investors pay attention. Follow Housing Interactive for expert real estate insights.